Hey guys, your boy King.
Video coming back at you with another cooking video. Last time I came at you, I did a little jalapeno poppers recipe, and that was a cute little appetizer. I said it was good for a party, good for a Super Bowl, and I've also done mozzarella sticks in the past. We're gonna get another appetizer here today. I do know how to cook things besides appetizers. I can throw down and make a full, you know, fully cooked meal, but appetizers are fun and they're good for like snacking on and just to serving to a lot of people. So what we're gonna make today is one of my favorites, cheese wontons. I know a lot of you have had them before. If you ever went to a Chinese restaurant, you got some cheese wontons or some crab ragoon. So I want to show you how simple and how easy it is to make it at home yourself. So next time you're in the mood for it, you don't have to go to the Chinese restaurant. You can just grab these ingredients and do it yourself. So let's look at the ingredients and let's see how this process is.
Okay guys, now here's the ingredients. By the way, there seems to be a little problem with my mic, so I think my sound is kind of going in and out. I need to fix that. But here are the ingredients we're going to be using, and just utensils in general. You need some wonton wrappers. You can find it at your local grocery store. Some sriracha sauce. This is some green onions that I've already chopped up. Some cream cheese, which is left over from the jalapeno poppers video I made. A bowl to mix everything together. Some minced garlic. And you need a bowl of water just to bind the wontons together. You can also use the egg wash, but I've learned that water is just as effective. And this is pretty much all you need, and you'll just be frying it, so some oil too. So let's get to the process. Okay, one new thing that I'm doing is I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to add some soy sauce. This is some low sodium soy sauce, and it'll just increase the flavor to it. I've seen it in a recipe. I do things differently sometimes. Not every recipe contains everything that I'm doing, so we're just gonna fly with it. Okay, as you can see in the video I did just now, I folded the wontons two different ways. You have a really simple way you could do it with just a regular old triangle, and I've seen it sold like this before. And there's another way, which I really like, is kind of crossed. It gives it this cute little effect, kind of looks like a little fortune cookie, and it will kind of look like that once it's fried. Either way is fine. This way is much more simple, and I prefer to do it this way. So it's either way you want to do it. So the oil is almost done, so now it's time to fry these things. And these things don't take long to fry. You want to watch it. You don't want it to burn. You don't want the filling to come out. So just make sure your heat is not too high and you really pay attention while you're frying it. As you can see, they start to bubble up right away. and they'll get like a nice golden brown color. So just continue to watch them as they fry, and you're just gonna flip them over once until they're ready to come out. Okay, they're really popping. As you can see, I turned them already, and they're a nice golden brown color. And some of the green onions and the filling starting to come out. So that means it's time to take it out. Let's get these bad boys out and let them cool so we can enjoy them. So I've taken the wontons out and look at them. They're a nice golden brown color. They're nice and crispy, and they're going to be nice to bite in with that ooey gooey filling. Let's get a close up.
So now that our cheese wontons are done, the only thing left to do is eat them. So look at these things. Ooh. And you could dip them in something. Right now, I just eat them plain. That's how I like them. So they are nice and crispy.
It has a lot of flavor
from the green onions and spice from the sriracha. You want to let these cool down because you don't want to bite into this and have that filling just explode in your mouth, and then your tongue and your whole mouth is like burning. So be careful. See, this kind of snack, you just bite one, you can just keep popping them back to back. They can be very addictive. So that was my recipe for crab wontons. Well, cheese wontons, crab ragoon. And just keep very simple. So, any other recipes you guys want to see? You know, I'm recipe person right here. So that was my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back at you soon. Now I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna do next. What video, what kind of recipe I'm gonna give to you guys. Alright, I'll see you later.